Hello everyone, I am Arnab Biswas, a huge Marvel fan, and today I am going to speak on the topic Spider-Man No Way From Home, its trailer. In the trailer we see that Mary Jane and Spider-Man on the roof and they were discussing, and Mary Jane was pulling his leg by saying that Spider-Man has some abilities to capture female minds and makes them fall in love in themselves.
Oh, look at this. This is a good one. Some suggest that Parker's powers include the male spider's ability to hypnotize females.
Stop, come on.
Yes, my Spider Lord.
Can we just stay up here all day? It is so crazy down there.
After that pun not intended, we see that Mysterio revealed who Spider-Man actually is. Everyone started gossiping and started to hate Spider-Man. He was also behind the bars where the police were investigating, where Peter continuously confronted the thing that those drones were of Mysterio's, but it wasn't he who killed Mysterio. But no one was listening to him.
That's right, folks. Spider-Man is in fact Peter Parker.
Listen, I did not kill Mysterio. The drones did.
The drones that are yours.
So what in case he did was, he decided to go to Doctor Strange, where he meets him after a long time, and we see there is a change in the character of Doctor Strange. We see he's no more a serious guy, he became cool, calm and composed in nature. And then we see that Peter he asked for the help of Doctor Strange, where he wanted everyone would forget that Spider-Man is actually Peter Parker.
I was wondering if maybe you could make it so that he never did.
So they went, so Doctor Strange and Peter Parker, aka Spider-Man, went to a place where he started casting a spell. But due to Peter's talkative nature, the spell got a bit disrupted. We see that Doctor Strange got a bit angry because they have messed up with the time and space and the concept of multiverse, that people could only imagine how far bad can take. In this trailer we also see that villains like Green Goblin, we see Sandman, we see Dr. Octopus. Maybe we can also see the Lizard and everyone coming back and fighting against Peter Parker.
Be careful what you wish for, Parker.
They would be revolting against them. And this is also a scareful situation right now, where we could see that every place or every time, at every situation we see that Peter has messed up very badly because he wanted to live two different lives, as Doctor Strange confronted him saying that no one can live a two different life at the same time.
The problem is you trying to live two different lives.
Either he has to accept it or either they have to let it go. But while thinking of his friends, his families, his partner, he became quite decisive, he became a bit defensive, he was a bit confused. The entry of Dr. Octopus was a huge response, or I would say was a huge surprise for every Marvel fan when they saw the bomb of the Green Goblin and the laughing background. We see the bomb rolling slowly on the streets and everything. In a sarcastic and in a punning way, Dr. Octopus welcomes Peter by saying,
Hello, Peter.
and I think, according to me, this is one of the best trailers we could have ever received from Marvel, because this is something we were not expecting. Throughout the Marvel series, we have seen only one or two villains, or two villains dominating. Like in the Avengers first movie, we see Loki or we see Ultron. There were single villains, but this time Peter Parker is alone. How would he defend himself? Will the Avengers come to help them or not? Let's see what happens.